Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 2 of the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to check the description below to join the Facebook event page and share pictures of your beautiful bookmarks. At the end of the 10 days, I'll be putting together a slideshow of all the viewers' creations based on the challenges. Today we're making botanical bookmarks using colored pencils. You're just going to take some Bristol board or drawing paper and first sketch it with pencil, and then we're going to go around the outside with micro pens or Sharpies. I like these micro pens because they're a little bit thinner than even the finest Sharpie, and they come in a kit with a variety of widths. I'll link up all the materials in the description below. And then we're just going to do a little bit of shading with the color pencils. I like to build up my colors, so starting with a kind of a ochre yellow and then blending in a little bit of reddish orange and making it sort of more dense on one side to give an illusion of three-dimensionality. Here I'm adding a little bit more of a brownish color, just to make it look like there's a bit of a shadow at the bottom around the outside. You just want to give an impression of a bit of depth. And it's fun to work with the color pencils in that way because you can start with a light layer of one color and then you can add other colors on top to make it look more rich, more three-dimensional. So I'm just doing like soft strokes with the first color, filling in all of the petals. And then I'm going to go for a slightly darker color pencil. You can also do these with watercolor if you prefer, but I'd like to experiment with different media. So we're just going to go around, make them darker on one side of the petals, so it looks like the light is shining above and also makes it look more realistic, more three-dimensional. So just go around the edges, make it a little bit darker, work your way around each petal. And I like to have a nice variety of color pencils, not too many colors, but a nice set of 60 is a good sort of range of colors. So we're just going to go around, continue with our shading. It helps to have an image to go by. So you could look at Google or Pexels or Pixabay for stock images of photographs of flowers to get an idea of the colors and the shading and of course the shape. I will be putting together some templates for the 10-day challenge that you will be able to find in the description of the video. I'll be putting them together as I go. So here we started with some light green, added a little bit of yellow, and then add a darker green to give a little bit more sense of three-dimensionality, give some variety, also give the impression of the shadow. We're just going to go lightly around the edge. And I'll also link up below some other tutorials using color pencils. This would be also nice with watercolor pencils. Really, with these challenges, you can use any medium that you like. So we're going to work on all the leaves in stages, doing the first color on all the leaves first, and then going to our second color, our third color. It always looks richer when you have more layers of color. So I bought this laminator on Amazon, and I'm going to put the bookmarks in the sleeve and put it through the laminator. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to bring this here and we're just going to feed it through. And there we go. Looks great. So after that, you're going to cut the bookmarks apart. So put them on a cutting surface and use an X-Acto knife just to slice down the middle. Leave about 1/8 to 1/4 inch of border around the outside. We just want to do all of the bookmarks and also at the top and the bottom. We're just going to cut it straight across. And then after that we can get some sharp scissors just to cut the corners. If you have a scrapbooking corner cutter, that might work as well. And you can also poke a little hole at the top if you want to add a tassel at the end. Keep in mind you can also laminate these with MacTac or clear tape. Thanks so much for watching and for participating in the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to share photos of your work in the Facebook event page. I'll link it up in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and tutorials. And we'll see you the next time.